morning. It is our second full day in Tokyo. I always trip up on our door. It's just like this much higher than the rest of the house. Today I think we're going to Shibuya Crossing, Harajuku. We're going to go get these mean as waffles. And also Shinjuku to go to the government building because it wasn't open yesterday because of inspection. So now we're going to go and see if it's open, and I don't know whether we're going to go during the day or the night. Apparently the government metropolitan building is so much better than the Tokyo Skytree because one, it's free, and two, there's no 3-hour wait. It's not as high, but you do go 45 floors. Operation One Yen Coin is about to commence.
Operation Running Coin.
Running coin, no 1 yen coin. We see the official Apple store. I've seen.
Morena whānau, it is Sunday here. Our last Sunday here in Japan. We're about to go to the Harajuku area. We just got out from the metro and there's like a massive Apple store. So what are you looking forward to today, Ta?
I want to try the waffles, and I want to find the Daiso, and I want to go to the government building, and I want to go to Shinjuku. Oh, that is Shinjuku, and I want to go to Shibuya.
Yeah, for the crossing.
And because it's a big megaton.
Megaton Koinji or something. It's like a big cheap warehouse. And then yeah, I'm just gonna see whatever we want to do. Tomorrow is the zoo, and the day after that is Yokohama. Here we are, whānau, heading into Takeshita Street. We're gonna cross the road straight into there, Ta. Look what we're running into, whānau. Look at it, we're going into the day crossing on, ladies and gentlemen. Tara is going to go to the waffle shop. Ooh, she's packed. There's two different shops here. Too many people. We're going in here, Tara? Yeah. Oh.
Yes.
I'm just gonna wait out here, Tara, because I don't want to go in.
Oh my god, there's a banana, strawberry banana chocolate. That one looks yum. What's this?
Get this one.
The brownie. Banana chocolate brownie. Oh my god, that looks delicious. Oh, I'm gonna get that one. Strawberry tea. That's what I'm getting.
What's your actual roll call? I know we've come back now so that we can see the tower, because yesterday it was closed for inspection and they're getting a bit of repair. So, but
the wait time is just the elevator.
Yeah, so we're now here, ready to go. Right, I know we're in the government building, waiting to get upstairs. It's been like 20 something minutes. Ben's happy. Really wants to see Tokyo. Yeah, that's fine. But now we've got to get our base search for Tara's huge tampons. Yeah.
building observatory.
Right, so now we're at a sushi, sushi, and yeah, I can't wait. I ordered like 10 pieces of tuna with tuna rolls, like the tuna set. It's like 35 bucks New Zealand, but when do I ever get beautiful draw when I'm over in, and draw when I'm over in New Zealand, right? But I got that one there. Yeah, look at that, look at that. Yeah, that's awful. Alright, finally, here we go. I ordered a full tuna set, 35 New Zealand, but look at that, look at that. Fatty tuna, mid tuna, darker tuna, fatty tuna roll, fatty tuna sushi, $35. Just looks absolutely gorgeous, handmade by the chef in this like beautiful little place here.
What? Hello, we're currently in Shinjuku.
I found the Godzilla.
So what are you doing, Kawana?
Giving my hydration levels up. What are they doing?
They're looking
the
at
thing is,
food.
I actually felt really full after eating all that sushi. Oh god,
Well, you
that
could
sushi
eat
was
like something that you're supposed to share.
that tuna. Oh, well, you buy your own. I'm spending 3,000 yen on tuna. I'm eating all the tuna.
Actually, I ate one,
Yeah, you stole one.
but you ate some
Like
mine.
the Oyaki Suzuki ones. Nowhere near as good as that tuna. So good.
You ate my matcha ice cream, so if it's fair, matcha.
Yeah. Look, Whānau, we found these little nooks. These have a name in Japanese, which I'll add below in the description. I can't remember what they're called, but they've got a name. These tiny little side streets with like food. You know what I mean? Look at it. Awesome. Whoa!
I just want a normal.
For you? Four normals?
I want to, what did we just get?
I have no idea.
Scanned.
Nah. We tried like a little yakitori place. Right, Whānau, so we just ate here in Tokyo in, where are we? Shibuya?
Shinjuku.
So we're in Shinjuku, Whānau, and we ate here, and it cost us $100, and it was yuck. Just told 8 people not to eat there, so they walked up, sat down, the waiter went downstairs and we're like, don't eat here, it's yuck. It's $300 for a cover fee. Basically, we paid 1,200 yen, which is about $18 New Zealand, for a small bowl of edamame beans. $5.50 for a small can of Coke. People were smoking up there, unfortunately. That was the worst eating experience we've had in Japan. Look, Whānau, we're in Shinjuku, and there's the Shinjuku Godzilla. When that thing's operating, it spits smoke and lasers and out of its mouth. We're finished up here in, where are we, Toe? Shinjuku. So we're in Shinjuku, we're finished up now. We've just come down the street now and we've just realised that we scammed ourselves. Because if we'd come down here before, they're all the normal high dolls down here, or whatever they call that. All you can drink, all you can eat for about 1,500 to 2,000 yen. So tomorrow, that's us. We're going to come down here to one of these places, get all you can eat, all you can drink for 2 hours. All you can eat, all you can drink tomorrow. That's us, Aita. Yeah, no more scammy places, no more tourist traps, because that was ultra disappointing. Or we can take the Yamanoto line, which is a little bit longer.